Sending your first job to the Fusion Galvo laser. It's time to send your first job to the laser. We'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on taking your file from design to engraving. We'll be covering the software you can use to design your file, how to set up the page and position your graphic, how to send the file to the laser dashboard, choosing your settings, and sending the job to the laser. Epilog's laser systems work through the Epilog Laser software suite, built on an open architecture design so you can create your artwork files in many different graphic software packages, including CorelDRAW, Illustrator, AutoCAD, Bartender, engraved, and many more. Choose the software that you're most comfortable with so you don't need to spend valuable time learning a new program. Here we have a stainless steel asset tag we're engraving on that is 3 inches by 1.5 inches in size. There are two popular options for page size. You can either set it to the size of the piece you are working with or to the size of the engraving table. Either method will allow you to position your artwork easily. If you have the f163 lens installed, this will be the 4-inch by 4-inch engraving area. With the f254 installed, it will be a 6x6 engraving area. As you can see, you can set up multiple tags across the engraving bed if we use the full table size. For this file, we're going to just engrave one tag, so we'll set the page size to the size of one tag. Once you're happy with the placement of the graphic, print the file just as you would to a paper printer. In the Print drop-down menu, you'll find the Epilog engraver that was added when you installed the Epilog software suite. Then select Print. The job will appear in the laser dashboard, Epilog's interface between the design and the laser, where you'll set up all your settings. Here we can position the graphic using camera for positioning. For the material settings, you can use our common materials listed to get started. Click the folder with a drop-down icon to open the materials list. You'll find multiple materials listed here that you can use as a jumping-off place for fine-tuning your own material settings. Choose the settings for the appropriate lens, f254 in this case, and the type of mark you would like to achieve. We want a white polished mark for this tag. Click the Import button to use these settings. We can easily adjust these settings as needed. And print the file to the laser. At the laser, select your job and press the Start button. Use these step-by-step tips to start creating your own beautiful and profitable projects.